Hi everyone, so today is April 5th. So we're gonna see what's flowering. So this one is an Ettinger avocado, loaded with flowers. This one is in the pot, but I think it's already in the ground roots. Okay, and this one is my big gem. Look what. That's a big gem. Look what. Okay. And this one is my Florida Prince. This is early peach. It's loaded also. And this one, next one, it's the apricot. So there's some small. And this one is the donut peach. Lots of flowers. And next one, this is the nectarine also. I have some blueberries right there. There's some blueberries. Okay. Right here it's the lemon guava. It's pretty windy today, guys. And it's the cherry guava. Alright, this is the morcat. Lots of small fruits. And this one is the tango mandarin. Lots of small fruits also. Next one is the fuyo persimmon. There's a lot of new growth and some flowers too. Okay. And the next one would be my big longa, loaded with flowers also. Alright, it's getting warm. Happy weekend.